Hey folks, Jimmy Weller with Jimmy's Crash Course. If you need a dump trailer, you're hauling a lot of weight, but you don't need it all the time, maybe just once or twice a month, this is gonna be the dump trailer for you. It has 5,000 pound axles, so it can haul quite a bit of weight, probably about 7,500 pounds you could put inside this dump trailer, and it will also lift that. This is their economy version, so it's gonna save you a lot of money. This is gonna be great if you're gonna use it once or twice a month, maybe 3 times. You could use it more often, it's just not gonna hold up as a heavier duty. It does have that one-piece gate. You can fold it down from the top, or as you can see, it is open from the bottom. You can hook a chain to it and adjust how wide it spreads. It does have stake pockets in each corner, so you can build the sides up. It has brakes on both axles and radial tires, so it's going to give you a smooth ride. Has the safety prop if you ever had to work on the cylinder, and it does have that lockable storage box. Comes with a deep cycle battery, 2 5/16 coupler, A-frame jack. This trailer is available at Weller's. It is a great trailer, 5,000 pound axles, 10K trailer, great for hairy homeowner, or if you have a small business, maybe you do some construction on the side or roofing, landscaping. This is a great all-around trailer. So come to Weller's Utility Trailers, check it out at wellers.com.